Okay, this is the 8th in a series of videos that I'm posting as supplements to tutorials I've written for my pfSense blog at pfSensesetup.com. And in this video, I'm going to cover scheduler options. And invoking the scheduler entails two steps. First, we need to create an entry in the schedule table, and then we're going to use the schedule table entry that we defined to define the behavior of a firewall rule. And first we're going to log into the pfSense web interface here. And we're in. And we're going to go to Firewall Schedules first. And in this video, I'm going to use as an example, I'm going to take the Apache web server rule that I created in a previous video, and I'm going to use the scheduler to limit access to the web server to certain hours. In fact, we're going to limit it to Monday through Friday, 9 to 5 p.m. So this will be work hours. So I'm going to click on the plus button here to add a new schedule. We're at Firewall Schedules. I'm clicking on the plus button to add a new schedule, and that should take us to the schedule page, the edit schedule page. And for schedule name, we're going to type work hours, and for description, I'm going to type normal work hours. And below this, we have the month, and we can click on individual days in the month. For example, we click on August 6th here, and then the rule will only work on that specific date. And as you can see, September, October, etc., we have nothing. But if we click on the top of the column, the day of the week, Tuesday, click on that, it will be defined for every Tuesday. So if we go on September, we'll work on Tuesdays in September and October and so forth. But we want it to work on Monday through Friday, so we're going to click on each of those columns. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So we have it set up for every weekday. And for time, which is below the calendar, we want it to work from 0900 hours to 1700 hours, is in military time here. So we have 900. Actually, I should make this bigger so it's easier to see. And let's stop at 1700 hours. And for time range description, I'm just going to say Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. And we're going to add time. And now it's in this little table here, it says configured range is Monday to Friday, 9 to 1700. And we're going to save this, and that will take us to the page that we were at before, and we have in the table, it says work hours, and it gives us the time range and description here. So now we can go to Firewall Rules. We're going to go to Firewall Rules, and that should show us the Apache web server rule here. There you go, Apache server rule. And we want to edit that. I'm going to click on the E. And you scroll down here, and you can see as the 7th option under Advanced Features, there's Schedule. So click on the Advanced button, and it says Leave as None to leave the rule enabled all the time. But in the drop-down box, now we have work hours. So we just click on, we select work hours, and we click on the Save button. And now in Firewall Rules, we see under the schedule column, it says work hours, so it'll only be in effect from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. And we're going to apply changes to apply the changes. And now we're done with